Hair loss. Hair loss knows no age. I'm going to share my personal story, my tragedy when it came to my hair loss. However, what was wonderful is that I also want to share with you what happened to me that allowed my hair to grow back. Come and join me. Let's get into it. All right. Let me take my glasses off. Let me show you exactly what's going on here. I'm a baby boomer. I'm in my 70s. And the history of my life is I had thick, dense, long hair. I had too much hair. However, I believe when I turned 60 or 65, I started noticing that it was just thinning. But it really didn't bother me that much. Well, it's all about age, right? And even though my hair was long, I still wore it back a lot. I wore it in a crunchy a lot. I was a flight attendant, so I always want to wear my hair back out of my face, particularly when you're going up and down the aisle, giving out beverage and food. However, a few years ago when I lost my college sweetheart, I would be combing my hair, brushing my hair, and my brush would get full of fibers, my human hair fibers. It scared me to death. I went, oh my, what is happening here? I immediately called my dermatologist, went in, got a diagnosis, alopecia areata, technically, and this is why I really want to share with you. If any of you experience hair loss, patches, you name it, don't think you're just going to find the answer yourself. Go and get professional advice, because it does make a difference. For those of you that may have other diagnoses, what worked for me may not work for you. But alopecia areata, my doctor said it's like a tree. The stress and sadness of the loss of your life has caused all the leaves to fall from the tree. But the good news is, and there's some bad news, but the good news is it will grow back. The bad news is it may take 9 months. 9 months? Are you kidding me? That scared me to death. He said I could give you minoxidil, which is a serum that I would actually put on my scalp and massage it in. But he said once you start using that drug, you have to always use it. So it's kind of like my interpretation, disclaimer, my interpretation was that if I became dependent upon this drug that's been around forever, I would be addicted to it. In other words, I'd have to always be sure I had it. Otherwise, my hair would go into a reactive mode and I'd lose hair again. So I said, no. I know short term, I may see some results, but long term, I just don't want to do that. So then he encouraged me to do some research. And he did recommend a particular company, but I did do my own research in the stimulation of my hair follicles to kind of jumpstart them. So instead of taking 9 months, maybe between 3 to 4 months, I would start seeing some results, which I did. And I'll share that remedy with you. But let's go back to talking about hair loss. And for those of us, mostly mature women, the elderly, you will find that your hair starts thinning and the fibers start getting a lot more fragile. Now, for those of you that may have colored your hair, always doing curlers, always wearing extensions, where you glue in those extensions to have long hair, that all helps, of course, around here. But if you're losing your density, if you're getting patches and loss of hair up here, you've got to come up with some other solutions. And on my channel, I get into all those easy solutions. I'll say one word: look up hair toppers. Very easy. It's not a wig. But for those of you that may have patches or it's very thin up here, go for it. It's like having your own hair back. And if you can have the same color relatively as your own hair, no one notices. But let's get back to the hair thinning issue. I was brave enough to come and show you the real me. And I'm embarrassed. I would never be walking around with my hair like this. In fact, when I don't wear a topper or a wig, I usually just wear it up like in a bun. But down like this, let me turn around and I'll show you how horrible this is. You see how thin it is? It's very, very thin. So you've got to understand this is the nature of thinning hair loss and getting the right diagnosis from your doctor. But now I'm going to show you what actually worked for me, that jumpstart. It stimulates the hair growth. And it is the red light, infrared light therapy. There are lots of programs out there, very inexpensive, on Amazon, but do your research because quality is important. And I did spend quite a bit for this helmet, which I'll show you, but this was my hair. This was my life. I was scared to go out in public with the way I looked. I didn't want to be wearing a scarf. Really, for women, it could be catastrophic. And remember, loss of hair knows no age. It happens to all of us. The extra thinning generally does come with age. But let me show you this item that has the infrared. It's a company called I Restore, and I'll put the link below. This helmet, it was suggested to wear it every other day, and I did. And they have a timer on it for 25 minutes. And inside here, you can't, I'm not sure if you can see here, but when I put it on, you'll see the red light therapy come through. Let me show you. Basically, I put this on like this, and you can also purchase where I just plugged it into the wall, but if you wanted to be walking around the house, doing your morning errands, having your coffee, they have a mobile setup of doing this too. But let me turn it on. It's set for 25 minutes. And do you see how it's shining through? Like here? I'm sure most of you know all about the red light therapy now for coming for wrinkles, the body, the beds, whatever. It seems to be the new rage, certainly within the last, say, 5 to 10 years. But this, I've had for a couple of years now. I don't use it every other day because I'm lazy and because my hair all came back. But it really did jumpstart my hair follicles. And I would say within the first 4 months, I started noticing a difference. And by the time 9 months came along, my hair, the thickness was more or less had grown back. And also, you know how I can tell that this was working? By brushing my hair. A little brush, no hair. Very, very few strands. So I hope I've been able to share with you my story, my solution. Please put in the comments any questions you have, as well as in the description, you can contact me directly. And I would be glad to share with you or to interact with you. You tell me your story, and I'll give you how I would approach solving your issue. Have a great day.